Hi and Namaste. My name is Kartika and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Today I'll be sharing with you how to see through or manifest or achieve all those New Year resolutions you've written for yourself this year as well as from the years gone past. The key to seeing any resolution through or to achieve any goal is that there must be a big enough compelling reason for you to be creating what it is that you want to create, or for you to achieve what it is that you want to create. And this reason should be so compelling with such a powerful force for you that it will pull you through even during the difficult, darker times, or when your willpower is running out, or when your mind is playing tricks on you. However, before we get into the big why as to why you want to create what it is you want to create, it is paramount that you define for yourself specifically in crystal clarity what it is that you want to create for yourself this year. So step one is to be as clear and as specific as possible as to what it is that you want to create for yourself this year. And when I mean specific, I don't just mean I want to create XYZ experience, or I want to lose X amount of weight, or I want to be emotionally and mentally balanced. When I mean specific, I mean, can you picture yourself already having achieved it? What is it that you experienced in the moment of having achieved it? What is it that you saw, heard, felt, tasted and smelled in the moment of having achieved it? And if you can connect to that image or that experience in your mind and write it down in description, that is what I mean by being specific as to what it is that you want to create for yourself. Remember, when you write your resolutions, always write them towards what it is that you want to achieve or what it is that you want to create. For example, don't write that this year I don't want to have mental and emotional breakdowns, or this year I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck. Instead, write what it is that you want to create. So you would say, this year I want to achieve mental and emotional balance and health. This year I want to achieve more than enough money to live my desired lifestyle. Once you can see in your mind's eye what it feels like to experience already having achieved it, you go about describing it. You're not describing it for somebody else, you're describing it for your own subconscious mind. Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't know that, or your conscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination. So when you feed this program into your subconscious mind and you're writing it and you're reading it to yourself, your subconscious mind starts doing the work for you, and consciously you will notice the results of it. Step two is to define your big why. As to why is it that you want to achieve your resolution, that you want to see your resolution through. What is that big reason that every time you think of the reason or you read the reason, it inspires you and compels you to take the actions to see your resolution through? I want to see my resolution through because I want to live to be the best version of myself. I want to see my resolution through because I want to shake society. I want to see my resolution through because I want my life to mean something. I want to see my resolution through because I want to leave a legacy for my children, for my family, for the world. What is your big why that will define why you want to see your resolution through? And friends, if your big why is not compelling enough and is not powerful enough to see you through, then you've got to ask yourself, is that resolution really for you? Because if it is, then you will find a big why big enough to pull you through, and when you do, you will achieve your resolution. And that's it from me this week. If you resonated with the message of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and of course subscribe. And I'll be sure to see you next week with some more transformation tips. Till then, thank you for watching and Namaste.